girl Sweet Auntie Mill, and I'm here to bring you a video of a wig review. This wig is called Water Lily. I'm wearing it now. I've had it for about 2 weeks. I bought it from elevatestyles.com. I'll put the link down in the description below. It is a synthetic full cap wig. The color is GF8643. This is the aftermath. This is the aftermath of the wig. So first things first, I don't wear wigs that often. I bought it because my hair underneath was damaged because I don't do much with it. So I bought this one. It was about $10, 10 something. I'll put that down in below as well. Originally it was about 20 some dollars. So I was like, okay, it's cheap. Let me try it out. Let me grab it. Did that. Had it ordered. Had it delivered. It took about 4 days, which is fine. I wasn't that pressed for it. It was just something so I can protect my hair underneath. So let's see, it showed up, and the packaging that it came in, I can show you without showing my address. Came in a packaging like this. Just a simple, like, soft packaging where you can just fold up. It had its, name around it. I took all that off. I'll show pictures. I'll insert pictures of that. In one of these bags, and this bag is loose, so the wig was in there loose. It looked kind of funny at first. I was a little skeptical, but I still took it out and wore it, or took it out to look at it. So when I first got the wig, it actually was curly. Everything was curly. The front was actual curls. You see, this is now straight. The back was all curls all the way down. I'm not sure the length. I didn't check length. I didn't care about length. So let's see. I wore it for the first 3 days. Was fine. I brushed it out, of course. When the curls got tangled, it tangled very, very easily. And I was not really pleased with that, but hey, it's a wig. It was my first time wearing one in a very, very long time. I was like, hey, you got to get used to this. This happens. So 2-3 days more go past me. I'll take it off at night, make sure it's brushed out completely nice, set a nice area to where nothing will happen to it, and it still ended up with some tangles. Okay, cool. Didn't matter. Had a wig brush anyway, to go ahead and brush those out so they can come back nice and fluffy and pretty again. Well, on the package it also says that it can be curled up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, my flat iron that I have, it doesn't even go to 400 degrees, but it still should curl with no problem. Well, that didn't happen. The end result that I had from doing the flat iron to try to curl it, because you can't do that, is this. It just turned out straight. As soon as the heat hit it, even with the heat protectant, it did not curl at all. It's been straight ever since then. So that kind of ticked me off, but I still wore it because I bought the wig to wear so I can protect my hair. I've had this now for about 2.5 weeks, and literally every day is frustrating because no matter how much is flat iron, no matter how much is brushed out, it still tangles at the ends like that. So in order for me to wear this hair, I literally have to brush it out every day, and this is what the ends look like from that result. I've only flat ironed it once and haven't tried it again because it pissed me off. It's not that bad of hair, but it's just like, come on now, you say I can flat iron it or curl it, it should be able to do that, and it hadn't done any of that. It sheds like crazy ever since day one, and now that the ends are very rough the way that they are, and they're not the same, they're not as fluffy from when they were curled, they shed even more, and I can show you. This is maybe from 3 days. Now I did it and I left it like this so you can see how much of a shedding it does after it can't be curled anymore and it's just straight. This, you see my brush? This is all from the wig. All of it. I'm not saying it's too bad of a wig. What I'm saying is be careful, especially if you're expecting something more of a quality. You see that? It's literally all the wig hair. Not my hair, literally all of the wig hair. This is all of it from about 3 days. And it's like this. It gets like this almost every single day. And it's always nappy. I brushed it right before this video and just listen. Of course, you're supposed to start from the bottom and then work your way up. But even sometimes that doesn't seem like that will work. And this is just from switching it just now with my hands. That's how quick it got nappy. Well, this does have a side part, as you can see there. And it has 2 clips, one here, one in the back. And it also has the elastic band for around the head. I do wish that it had maybe 1 or 2 more clips, just so that I didn't have to use the band, because the band gave me a headache the first couple of days just because I'm not used to it. And 2, I wish that it was a little thicker in the back crown area, because I can feel my cornrows underneath, and you can probably see the humps underneath as well. I'm not sure because I haven't checked, but you can probably see it. But my cornrows, there's one here, one here, one here, and one here. But it's a, you can probably see right through. Very thin. So those are the things that I wish there was a little bit, I guess you say, more with the wig. Other than that, it served its purpose for the $10 that I paid. I just wish that I could do a little bit more with it. I am going to purchase more from Elevate Styles, because they do have different ones like lace wigs, lace fronts, full and half cap. I mean, have bundles. They have a bunch of things. You can go in there and check them out. No, I'm not getting paid for this. I just felt that if someone is going to buy a wig, even if it's cheap or expensive, they should at least know what they're getting. Originally I wanted this color in burgundy, and they didn't have it. They were completely sold out. This was the only thing. And for all of those who do go on Elevate Styles to purchase, just know that the way that the wig looks on the man, on the person, on the model there, it may not look that way when you buy it for yourself. I was very skeptical about the way that it looked on the woman who was wearing it. So it might not look right on me. I think personally, if I had the darker color, it'll look better on me, but this wasn't bad when I first got it. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, comment down below anything else you might want me to do a review on. If there's anyone out there that wants me to do a review for something that they may have, please just hit me up. Email will be in the description below. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.